a smile on somebody's face. Try to make this world a better place.
So the problem I was running into was something to hold the barrel of the rifle while it was standing vertical with the butt sitting on the mesquite wood base. The best thing that occurred to me was just do a piece of Kydex at the top of it.
Supposed to be. You don't think you got nothing, oh, but you got all you need. I got no trouble, I sleep just fine. Wake in the morning to some sweet sunshine. Ain't got nobody, no, it's chasing after me. That's the way it ought to be. Well, I don't have much of nothing, ooh, but I got all I need. I got means of transportation, babe, but it's up on blocks. Got no problem getting where I got to be, yeah. My refrigerator's working, but there's nothing much inside. That don't mean I don't got what I need, yeah. Yeah. Thing, she's all mine, from top to bottom, nothing but fine. Check out my baby.
If you all would be so kind to hit like and subscribe, I'd be grateful. Thanks.